Hi, hello, namaste. Last video we are discussing about the move. Okay, same as well the hats we did it. Okay, now today we are going to explain the copy, a detailed explanation of copy. In copy, we have more two commands. Okay, what are the commands of this? What are the commands? How can we use? What was the shortcut for the copy? Also, we have to go now. So now I want to create a object that is circle. Here I am taking for example. So I want to take the copy of this object. So here we have the two different ways to use the copy. And that our first one is I'm selecting the object here, giving CO. CO is a shortcut for copy. And I'm selecting the base point here. I'm taking the copy. Here I'm owning my ortho. My ortho is on. Okay, that's why I'm getting as a straight lines here. Fine. But I want some inclined copy. I want to take somewhere. Okay, in that time I want to off my ortho. Like this, we have to take the copies. But see, every time we are taking the single copies only. If we want the plenty of copies in same series, in that time what we have to do? See, and one more way to take the copy, I will show you here. I'm giving copy firstly, CO enter, selecting of objects, giving space bar now. Select the base point of the object, now take the copy. So these are the two different ways to use the copy process to taking a object as copy. Fine. Now I want to explain you how to take the multiple copies in copy command at a time. Fine. Here I am selecting the object. So first I want to on my ortho. Otherwise your wish. I am offing this. I am selecting the object here. Specify the copy. CO and I am giving here. I am selecting the base point here. Just see in our command bar it is specifying of it showing some command that is array. Which one is flexible to you? Use that one only. Fine. I want multiple copies, right? For that I am going with array now. I am selecting the array here. Specify the number of copies you require. I want 20 copies at a time. I am giving enter. See, these are my 20 copies. Fine, but I want some distance. I want the equal distance between all the copies. In that now what we have to do? See, I am owning my ortho. So giving CO enter, selecting the base point, space bar. I am selecting the base point here, specifying of array of 7 copies. Now specify the distance, how much distance you require from one object to another object. Okay, here I am specifying of 5000. So it was the 5000 bit distance between these two. If I want to take the another one with near to origin, same circle I am taking here with some radius. Now I am going to take the copy of this CO, enter, selecting of base copy. I want to specify the number of copies we required based on the array. I am giving 7, enter. Now specify the distance. how much distance you require. Fine. So now I want to specify the distance here. How much distance we require. Okay, I'm giving 200 here. See, this is my 200 distance. This point to this point, I have 200. For every copy, I have the same distance only. For that purpose only, we are using array in copy like this. If you want to measure more, see, you can see the same result. Like this, we can use the copy. Okay, and one more option we have here, that is fit, which is available in copy only. Same process I'm doing here, selecting object, giving CO, enter, and I want to specify the base point of this, taking the same process of array of 10 copies. Now I'm choosing fit. So one thing you observe here, when we are using array, in that time we have to specify the distance. Okay, when we are going to fit command, so when the fit command is used means when we have the limited distance, in that distance only we have to specify our objects, we have to draw our objects. In that time go with fit command. Okay, so is the about the complete, so this is about the complete copy. In copy we go with array and same as well fit command. Now here we want to go with mirror. Shall I show you? Okay. So for mirror, what I am doing, first I am selecting the object here, giving mi, and I am drawing the axis. So based on this axis only, you get the mirror of the object. If I on the sorry, if I off the ortho, see how I am getting here. If I on the ortho, I will get the perpendicular like this. Fine. If I want to draw the diagram with attached at lost objects, so I am selecting the same objects here, giving mi, enter. Now I am draw the axis at the edge point of the last object. See, like this we can draw the axis. I am repeating here. See, selecting object, giving mi, enter. I am offing ortho. I want to draw the axis. See, this is my axis now. I repeating here. Select the object. Give mi, enter. So I am drawing axis like this now. Based on your requirement, you can draw. It's your wish. This is my mirror. Now what I want to do, here when we are going with mirror, we can see a option in command bar, that is yes or no. So S means when we are taking the mirror, okay, in that time it asks you want to erase, you want to delete the original object or not, it asking. If you want to delete the original one, click on S, otherwise go with no. Fine, I will show you here. See, so I am selecting this one only. First I want to delete these unwanted portions, so I am selecting this of all, giving mi, enter. So for my requirement I am owning the auto. So here I want to draw the axis. See, in our command bar it asking yes or no. S means it will delete this original object and shows only the output what we did. Right? No means it will show the both two objects. Original one same as well as duplicate one what we create. Fine. Here I am clicking on S firstly. See, our original diagram will be gone. Fine. I'm giving Control Z for undo. Again I'm doing the mirror MI. Selecting objects, giving MI enter. I'm drawing the axis. I'm taking the help of ortho. So now I want to click on no. See, our both objects are here only in our interface. Fine. Like this, we have to create the mirror and same as well copy. Fine. If you want to take the more two of mirrors, I'm selecting these two, giving MI enter. So I'm drawing here. Based on my axis, I will get. See, so like this, we can create the mirror and same as well we can create the multiple copies. Okay. So once again, I want to revise you. In copy, we have the array command and fit command. So array is used to specify the number of copies you require in at a time, and fit command used to fit the number of object in required space only. Next mirror we are going with how many mirrors we have to do. So based on axis we can take the mirrors. So this is our video. If you like the video, just do the subscribe and support the channel. Okay, bye bye.